The mysterious band of holes. And Tambo, Colorado in Peru. Hi, this is Brian Forster, and this is some quadcopter footage that I took at a site called Tambo, Colorado, which is an Inca site, about 600 years old, located reasonably close to Pisco, Peru, which is about 3.5 hours south of the capital city of Lima. Now, as you can see, it's an adobe construction, and it is typical Inca of the area, as there is no fine or good stone in this area. Most of the Inca constructions were made out of adobe, and Tambo, Colorado means Tambo is in or center, and Colorado is color. So Tambo is an Inca word, whereas Colorado, of course, is a Spanish word. But it was a major site for the Inca, and it was a transition place between the coast and Cusco in the highlands. But what's far more intriguing that I want to share with you is this, which is called the Band of Holes. It's somewhere between 1 and 2 kilometers long, and it creeps up a hillside, as you can see, above the lush green valley area. And the question is, who made it and what was it? And there seems to be a lot of speculation. No one has a real answer as to what it was and who were the creators. I think probably the most logical of explanations was made by Senor Juan Navarro of the Paracas History Museum, of which I'm the assistant director, and he believes that it was a giant geoglyph made by the elongated skull Paracas culture more than 2,000 years ago. Now, there are geoglyphs in the area, the most famous ones being the Nazca geoglyphs, which are related, of course, with the Nazca lines, and those are, well, among the most famous ones would be the hummingbird and the spider, etc. So they are etchings in the silty sand of the area, whereas you can see here, you have 3,000 holes. So the question is, of course, what did it represent? And Senor Juan's theory is that in each one of these holes, there was a plant of some kind that was planted there and watered, and because it's in a snake shape, it would have been a massive geoglyph in the form of a snake going up from the valley floor close to the top of a mountain. Now, I haven't shown in this video clip, but at the base there is an enlarged bulbous area which could very well have been the head of the snake, and at the other end, on the top of the mountain, that is where the whole almost zigzaggy shape of this band of holes comes to a narrow point. So that would be the tail. And also in the head portion, that was a cemetery. So there are still bones and skulls and bits of pottery and cloth and stuff like that there. So when this was functioning more than 2,000 years ago, it would have been, as Senor Juan believed, and I concur with him, that it was a massive serpent shape, bright or rich green colored, and therefore it would have stood out very much from the barren, almost wasteland area in the background.
Question.